Hello and welcome to the Octet channel, where we separate fact from fiction. Today we're diving into the popular myth that a long-lasting light bulb has been kept out of consumer hands on purpose.
Is there any truth to this claim? Let's find out. Many people point to the centennial bulb, which has been burning continuously for over 120 years, as evidence that a longer-lasting bulb exists. But it's important to note that the centennial bulb was not designed for consumer use. It was a hand-blown bulb made by a different process than modern bulbs, and it was intended for use in a fire station to ensure that the lights never went out. In reality, there have been many advances in light bulb technology over the years that have led to longer-lasting bulbs. Incandescent bulbs have been largely phased out in favor of more energy-efficient options such as LED and CFL bulbs, which can last for tens of thousands of hours before needing to be replaced. These bulbs are widely available to consumers and have been embraced by the market. In fact, the energy efficiency of light bulbs has become an important selling point for many consumers, and the market has responded by producing longer-lasting bulbs that use less energy. The reality is that the light bulb industry is driven by market forces, not a conspiracy to keep a long-lasting bulb out of consumer hands. Manufacturers are constantly striving to create better and more energy-efficient products that meet consumer demand. And let's not forget about the environmental impact of light bulbs. Energy-efficient bulbs not only save consumers money on their energy bills, but they also reduce the amount of energy consumed and the environmental impact of manufacturing and disposing of bulbs. So there you have it, the myth of the long-lasting light bulb being kept from consumers on purpose simply isn't true. The market has shifted towards energy-efficient bulbs that last longer, and there is no evidence to suggest that a longer-lasting bulb has been deliberately kept from consumers.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more myth-busting content.